The ketogenic diet is everywhere. People are talking about it, trying it, and loving it. But what is all the fuss about? Keto is a high-fat, low-carb way of eating that shifts your body's fuel source. Instead of relying on carbohydrates for energy, your body starts burning fat. This metabolic switch is the secret behind the ketogenic diet's incredible weight loss potential. But keto is much more than just a weight loss trend. People worldwide are experiencing amazing health benefits on a keto diet. From increased energy levels to improved mental clarity, keto can transform your overall well-being. And let's not forget the delicious food. Who wouldn't love a diet rich in creamy avocados, juicy steaks, and decadent dark chocolate? The keto diet is a lifestyle change that focuses on nourishing your body with real whole foods. It's about saying goodbye to restrictive diets and embracing a sustainable way of eating that is both enjoyable and good for you. So if you're ready to unlock the power of keto, let's dive in and explore how you can achieve your health goals while savoring every delicious bite. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Starting a new way of eating can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. That's where the expertise of a licensed dietitian-nutritionist comes in. These nutrition experts can guide you on your keto journey, ensuring you follow the diet safely and effectively. They take the guesswork out of keto, providing personalized meal plans tailored to your unique needs. A dietitian starts by understanding your health history, dietary preferences, and lifestyle. They use this information to create a customized keto meal plan that aligns with your goals. They also provide ongoing support, answering your questions and adjusting your meal plan as needed. With their guidance, you can confidently navigate the world of keto and achieve sustainable results. Think of a dietitian as your personal keto cheerleader. They provide the knowledge, tools, and motivation you need to succeed. Whether you're new to keto or need help staying on track, a dietitian can empower you to make informed choices and achieve long-term success. So why go it alone when you can have an expert by your side? One of the biggest misconceptions about the keto diet is that it's restrictive and boring. Many people think that going keto means giving up all their favorite foods and settling for bland, tasteless meals. But that couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is, with a well-planned keto meal plan, you can enjoy a wide variety of delicious and satisfying meals. The key is to focus on high-quality ingredients and creative recipes that make the most of the allowed foods. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can create meals that are not only keto-friendly but also incredibly tasty and satisfying. Imagine sitting down to a meal that not only meets your dietary needs, but also leaves you feeling full and happy. From savory breakfasts to decadent desserts, keto allows you to indulge in flavorful foods that nourish your body and tantalize your taste buds. You don't have to sacrifice flavor for health. In fact, many people find that their taste buds come alive on a keto diet. Imagine starting your day with fluffy almond flour pancakes topped with fresh berries and a dollop of whipped cream. These pancakes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that will keep you energized throughout the morning. For lunch, savor a vibrant salad with grilled chicken or fish, creamy avocado, and a tangy vinaigrette. The combination of fresh vegetables, healthy fats, and protein will keep you satisfied and focused for the rest of the day. And for dinner, indulge in a juicy steak with roasted vegetables drizzled with herb-infused olive oil. This meal is not only delicious, but also provides the perfect balance of nutrients to support your keto lifestyle. These are just a few examples of the culinary delights that await you on a keto meal plan. The possibilities are endless, and with a little bit of creativity, you can enjoy a wide variety of meals that are both delicious and keto-friendly. The best part? These delicious meals translate into real, visible results. Many people who follow a keto diet report significant improvements in their health and well-being. By following a well-structured keto meal plan, you'll notice a reduction in bloating, improved energy levels, and of course, weight loss. These changes can have a profound impact on your overall quality of life. These positive changes motivate you to stick with the keto lifestyle and achieve your health goals. When you see the results for yourself, it becomes easier to stay committed and make keto a long-term part of your life. So say goodbye to bland and boring diets and embrace the world of delicious and satisfying keto meals. With the right approach, you can enjoy a wide variety of foods that are both healthy and delicious. Whether you're new to keto or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to discover and enjoy. Let's not forget about desserts. Yes, you can still enjoy sweet treats on a keto diet. From rich chocolate mousse to creamy cheesecake, there are plenty of keto-friendly dessert options that will satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your progress. And what about bread? Many people think that going keto means giving up bread forever, but that's not the case. There are plenty of keto-friendly bread recipes that allow you to enjoy the taste and texture of bread without the carbs. From almond flour bread to coconut flour rolls, the options are endless. One of the great things about the keto diet is that it's not just for individuals. You can enjoy keto meals with your family and friends, making it a social and enjoyable experience. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just having a casual meal with loved ones, there are plenty of keto-friendly recipes that everyone will love. Meal prepping is another key to success on the keto diet. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you can ensure that you always have healthy, keto-friendly options on hand. This makes it easier to stay on track and avoid the temptation of unhealthy foods. Shopping for fresh, high-quality ingredients is also important. By choosing the best ingredients, you can create meals that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Visit your local farmer's market or grocery store and stock up on fresh vegetables, high-quality meats, and healthy fats. Cooking at home is another great way to stay on track with your keto diet. By preparing your own meals, you have complete control over the ingredients and can ensure that everything you eat is keto-friendly. Plus, cooking can be a fun and rewarding experience, especially when you get to enjoy the delicious results. Don't forget about snacks. There are plenty of keto-friendly snack options that you can enjoy throughout the day. From cheese and nuts to keto-friendly protein bars, there are plenty of options to keep you satisfied between meals. And let's not forget about beverages. There are plenty of keto-friendly drink options that you can enjoy, from coffee with heavy cream to refreshing smoothies. Staying hydrated is important, and with the right choices, you can enjoy delicious drinks that support your keto lifestyle. If you're looking for inspiration, there are plenty of keto cookbooks and online resources available. These can provide you with new recipes and ideas to keep your meals exciting and delicious. Whether you're looking for new breakfast ideas or creative dinner recipes, there's always something new to discover. Sharing your keto journey with others can also be a great way to stay motivated and inspired. Whether you're sharing recipes on social media or joining a keto support group, connecting with others who are on the same journey can provide you with support and encouragement. Ultimately, the keto diet is about more than just weight loss. It's about achieving your health goals and feeling your best. With the right approach, you can enjoy delicious meals, see real results, and live a healthier, happier life. So embrace the world of delicious and satisfying keto meals and start your journey to better health today. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can enjoy a wide variety of foods that are both healthy and delicious. Here's to your success on the keto diet. The ketogenic diet's effectiveness goes beyond anecdotal evidence. Scientific research supports its numerous health benefits, particularly in weight loss. Let's delve into the science behind keto and understand how it works its magic. The keto diet is characterized by a very low carbohydrate intake, typically less than 50 grams per day. When you drastically reduce carbohydrates, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. In ketosis, your body starts producing ketones, which are molecules produced by the liver from fat. These ketones become your body's primary fuel source, replacing glucose, which is typically derived from carbohydrates. This metabolic shift from glucose to ketones as the primary energy source is the key to keto's weight loss success. By burning fat for fuel, your body becomes a fat-burning machine, leading to significant weight loss over time. Furthermore, the keto diet helps regulate hunger hormones, reducing cravings and promoting feelings of fullness, making it easier to stick to your calorie goals.